Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Yizocom. Today's video is about Uthando Nesithembu. Hey guys, Musa is on fire because there was a voice record that was sent to Duma's family. Invite them to Lobola negotiations of wife number 5 and the ceremony. Other sister wives asked Macele about that voice record. Mato, did you send a voice note to Duma's family? Invite them to come to the ceremony that was Makumalo? Asked Macele. Macele played what she sent to Duma's family. Then she left because those three wives accused her for the wrong voice note information. While she left, they turned to Musa and they said, Tombeni, tell Macele to come back because she's the one who sent that voice note. Tombeni, he said, no. Then he cried. On the trailer, he said he cried because they shift the blame to Macele. Kanti, he's the one who have a polygamy, and whatever is wrong is the one who make it wrong, not someone else. Then Ntombeni invited Macele to see Barley. They had a chat. Musa said what confusing him the most is Makumalo. Makumalo, he fought for her, while other wives, they don't want her because they said she's from nearby. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it. Bye you.